Hey, Math and Science Academy. So we are wrapping up Investigation 5 this week. We're gonna bring all of our knowledge that we now have back to these things we studied at the beginning of the semester. We're gonna look at the Van de Graaff machine and those pie pans that fly off of it. We're gonna look at the Franklin bells and see how those work with a much deeper understanding of charges and subatomic particles and a clearer idea of what's going on there. So you're gonna show that you know what's going on there on your own in the morning, and then you're going to compare with your small groups in the afternoon. Then on Thursday, we're going to do practice questions, and I will post the Investigation 5 assignment link so you can make sure that you've got everything in. This investigation has only one Google form, 2 Google Forms for you guys. That's right, 2 Google Forms for you guys, and a bunch of slideshows. So you'll have a chance to make sure that you get those in. And then you can review the practice questions in small groups in the afternoon, and that'll make us ready for taking the Investigation 5 test on Monday. So there you go. Hope it's a good week.